A person who has a pure heart doesn't lose anyone. People lose that person. We say that even at our best, absolute best, we will never be good enough for the wrong people. In the same way, even at our absolute worst, we will still be enough with the right people. Oh. Sabi nung aking kaibigan, well, Father, sometimes a clear rejection is better than a fake promise. Sabi niya, ang hirap sa panahon ngayon, marami ng paasa. Paasa. Tama ba? Kuminsan daw, hindi daw yung paasa ang dapat sisihin, kundi yung mga assuming. Biro lamang po. A clear rejection is better than a fake promise.